My friend was asked to find the email address of companies which are highlighted for master file. He was given two separate files. One is master containing all data and other file in which email address are missing. So, my friend started doing this manually using find. He copied the name to search and went a master file and started searching. But remember to match both company name and name of person, as there are similar names but different companies. I suggested him to do this way. Go to Home tab, choose Filter, select Choose Filter by Color. This will show only highlighted content to search. Now type in this formula here. He got the email address of the criteria easily. Copy down the formula. And it is done. If you found video helpful, kindly like, share the video, and subscribe to SHALU Verma Classes for more videos like this.